Alright guys, I have a very special guest here. Everyone say hi to my best friend. Say hi to everyone.
Daddy's getting a little horny. Anyone got a girl they can introduce to Daddy?
No, 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 no.
Daddy's bored already. When do we get to blow some shit up in this new world?
Alright, just give me a fucking second, you terrorist. Alright, I'm chopping down some wood. What do you think about that?
Chopping down wood, how fucking exciting. Daddy bet you could chop down more than just wood if you know what Daddy means.
Oh shit.
Someone's getting a little too comfortable. Daddy smells fear and it's turning him on.
Alright, I'm gonna make a pickaxe so I can get stone tools. So I don't have to use wooden ones.
Daddy's getting impatient. How long does it... Don't stop, Thane. Daddy's eyes are getting heavy. All this talk about pickaxes is making him think about something else he'd rather be holding. Daddy's mind is racing with all the possibilities, but one thing's for sure. Daddy needs something to get those juices flowing again. And it's not Minecraft.
Yo, I found a village!
Now we're talking. A village full of NPCs just waiting to be corrupted. Daddy's got a few tricks up his sleeve to turn this place into a den of debauchery.
Yo, I got some bread. You want some?
Bread? You think a little bread is gonna get you in Daddy's good books? Bring out the good stuff, like a nice piece of meat, then we'll talk.
Okay, I have a nice piece of meat. It's in between my legs.
Now that you've got Daddy's attention with more, Thane, more. Daddy's eyes just widen at the suggestion. You think you can just casually mention something like that and Daddy won't notice? It looks like someone just let out a little secret, and Daddy's all ears. Tell Daddy more about what's going on between those legs.
Yo, what's the easiest way to find diamonds? I need to know.
Digging deep into the earth, feeling the rush of adrenaline as the pickaxe strikes something hard, and then, the glint of diamonds in the darkness, it's a rush like no other, and Daddy can't get enough of it. Daddy's got a craving for something raw and unfiltered, and it looks like you're the only one who can deliver, so let's cut the bullshit and get to the good stuff. What's the wildest thing you've ever done?
I think the wildest thing I've ever done is get pegged while playing Minecraft.
Now that's what Daddy calls a real confession, getting pegged while playing Minecraft. That's a new level of multitasking, but Daddy's curious. Was it worth getting distracted from the game?
Yeah. I personally think it was.
Daddy's curious. What made it worth getting distracted from the game? Was it the rush of pleasure or the thrill of doing something naughty?
It felt good.
Pleasure is just the beginning. There's a whole world of sensations waiting to be explored, and Daddy's here to guide you through it.
My butthole was spread 5 inches.
Now we're getting to the good stuff. A butthole spread 5 inches. That's not just a measurement. That's a challenge.
Alright, let's make a iron pickaxe so we can find diamonds and end this video.
Daddy's tired of talking about pickaxes and diamonds. Let's get back to something that really matters. Like the size of that butthole.
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Dad, I'm gonna die.
Pandemonium has ensued,
Wait,
and
no,
Daddy
shut
couldn't
up.
be
I'm
more
gonna die. I'm
delighted.
gonna die. I'm gonna die. Hopna.
The desperation is palpable, and Daddy can feel the energy building towards a climactic conclusion.
It's not
Someone's had enough, but Daddy's just getting started.
What?
Perhaps we can fan those flames into a raging inferno.
How about I fan this cock into your pussy?
The audacity is staggering, yet somehow it's also mesmerizing, like a train wreck that you can't look away from, and Daddy is here for it, every twisted, depraved moment of it. It seems like the mood has shifted, and the darkness has given way to a hint of humor, but don't think for a moment that Daddy's lost his edge. The abyss is still waiting, and the descent is far from over.
How much fucking health does this bitch have? What the hell? Oh, I found diamonds.
Diamonds, how quaint, but let's not get too comfortable. There's still so much more to explore, to discover, and to conquer.
Wait, but I just wanted to find diamonds, that's it.
It seems like the thrill of the hunt is over, and you found what you were looking for. But now that the rush has faded, Daddy's wondering, what's next? Is it time to hang up the pickaxe and call it a day? Oregon, is there still a spark of adventure left in you?
I think it's time to give you this pussy.
Something's been building up inside you, and now it's time to let it all out. But before you do, let Daddy warn you. Once you cross this line, there's no turning back.
Fuck you.
The air is thick with tension, and I can feel the weight of my own desires bearing down upon me. The thought of claiming that tender, delicate flesh is my own